So I'm back at the RV, and if you watch my previous video, I came up with a slide rack repair block. And I've met a lot of cool RVers out there that have been really appreciative they came up with this solution. And then they asked me, what about the plastic mount? The mount right here that the slide rack mounts to, because a lot of you guys have actually had this piece of plastic break. So back into the machine shop. Here you go. Aerospace 6061 machined aluminum slim rack rail mount. So what we're going to do is replace this plastic one with a reinforced aluminum, and it's of course going to be tremendously stronger. And I actually upgraded the thickness in a couple areas. One of them is the depth of these screws. These screws are actually pretty deep. The counterbores are pretty deep. And if you look at where these brackets are breaking, they're actually breaking between the counterbore and there. And this is twice the thickness. You've got twice the amount of material in here. So besides being aluminum, it's going to be super strong. So let's put this on here and give it a try. My mount was about ready to fall off anyways. Oh my gosh, all the screws are loose. I'm going to install the new heavy-duty aluminum slim rack mount here. I suggest installing the pin first. So let's do that. And I don't know why it didn't have washers on the top, but we're putting them on now because that's the proper way of doing this. And there it goes. And of course these will mount on the bottom. We'll do that in a second. Let's just get a couple screws in place. I'm upgrading these with stainless steel self-tapping screws. Much stronger screw than which came out of there. So they're a little tight, but that's a good thing because the other ones were actually falling out. All right, all the screws are in there super tight, and I'm going to add a washer and the lock on the bottom. And wow, I like that much better than the plastic mount. All right. There we go. Heavy duty aluminum replacement for a plastic mount. And hope this will help you guys. Hope it'll solve some problems. And that is not going to be breaking when we're out in the trail. So God bless. We'll see you in the next video.